Hello, welcome to your Lifestyle Videos Update. I'm Zoe, your AI guide. Today, we will take a look at the 30-day market snapshot for the town of Aurora. Over the past 30 days, sold listings and the average sales price are down for single-family homes in Aurora, with average days on the market also down to 12 days. The average sale price is $1,520,000. Turning our attention to condos, sold listings and average sales price are down, with average days on the market also down to 17 days. The average sale price of a condo in Aurora is $844,000. Make the most of your experience here at lifestylevideos.com with one of the many videos in our blog section, or head to our live feed of current home tours. You can also search for homes to view all current listings in your area. Our team of experts are always here to help, so feel free to connect with one today and embark on your journey towards the lifestyle you've always dreamed of.